Good morning to all. My name is Saloni Singh from BCom Professional AQ Second Sem. Today I am going to present my presentation on the topic of data table. So let's begin. Our first slide. What is data table? A data table in Microsoft Excel is a what-if analysis tool that allows you to see how changing one or two input values affects the results of a formula. It shows the results for different inputs values. It saves our time by calculating many results at once. Our second slide, uses of data table. Our first is organized data, keeps changing, arranged in rows and columns. Second, easy data analysis, helps analyze and understand data quickly. Third is sorts and filters data, allows you to find specific information easily. Fourth is creates charts and reports, makes it simple to create graphs and summarizes. Fifth is perform calculations, works with formulas to calculate total averages and all. So now we have do practical questions. So wait, here is a practical question. First, sales. Okay, sir. First is sales 500, unit 55, month 1. And now we have put the formula into enter 2000 27,500 total. And now we have, sorry, enter. And we have drag तो इसके बाद हम लोग इसको करेंगे इसको ऐसे, sorry. Now we have go to data and comes and what if analysis in data table. So, first is row input cells and second is column input cells. Now here as the comes the value, as you can see. So
explain how the output works.
So now we comes in the data and then we do what if analysis in data table.
That's fine. That's fine. I'm talking about just justify the output which you have got.
So I don't know. So now
The column which you have, that is a month number.
Yeah.
The row which you have, that is for unit of cell.
Cells.
So unit of cell and the cell amount is cell's volume is 500. Clear?
Yes,
If
sir.
that 500 is becoming a 100, then what is happening? 500. If the 500 is becoming 100, then the price of per unit is 55. So 100 multiplied with 55 is 5500. Right?
Yes, sir.
And if it is happening for the consecutive 2 months, so 5500 plus 5500, it can become 7000. Can you ask the question to the audience?
Okay. Do you have any question regarding this topic? Yeah.
You are very good.
Okay.
How it is different from one input cell?
Yes, it is different to one input cells because it actually types of data input cells. So So thank you everyone. That's all about my side.